Today, I'm just gonna be recording my morning walk that I've been doing for about 2 days now. Um, Started doing these because sleep schedule's messed up and felt like taking a dog on a walk. So, yeah. Most of this will not be recorded, and it'll be pictures of everything else out here. Because it really is a nice place, but especially in the mornings. The dog wasn't such a shithead. He's only about maybe a year old, 2. I think he's about 2. Got him in September of 2023, I think. Or no, 2020. It was either 2023 or 2024, but yeah. I got like 2 things to say, and I'll get out of your face. But nature is awesome. You can go outside. If you've been in your room for like basically all day, go outside, take a walk. Like even just walking around your yard, it's not like it's really nothing. But another thing, I'm gonna try to have a video up this afternoon, maybe this morning. I don't know. On I think it's Sarah is missing, but be sure to watch that, and then after that I might play Pop Goes or maybe start a Minecraft thing. Who knows? I'll put up a poll or just comment it. I really don't care. But that's it. I have more photos coming up next. But have an amazing morning.